If you ask a standard AI for feedback on a business plan, it will usually tell you your ideas are solid. It is programmed to be helpful and accommodating, which makes it a terrible sparring partner for rigorous strategic planning. Smooth, frictionless agreement feels nice in a first draft, but real strategy requires friction. You need a system that actively pushes back against your assumptions. The solution is a gem. This is a customized, permanent AI profile that you architect specifically to find the logical flaws in your work. To build one, you need an active Google account, access to Gemini, and a highly specific role in mind for your expert, like a critical supply chain auditor or a skeptical financial controller. In a high-stakes environment, blind spots are fatal. Upgrading to a specialized gem gives you a dedicated challenger to stress test your execution plans before they ever hit the market. Step 1 is extracting the right psychological profile. We do this by asking the baseline AI to define the exact traits of the expert we want it to become. You give it a prompt like this: what are the key characteristics of a highly competent interior designer, or whatever specialized role fits your industry? The more specific the title, the sharper the output. The AI will break down that role into discrete data nodes, mapping out the precise knowledge base, behaviors, and communication style required for that profession. Copy that resulting text block. You now have the exact behavioral traits needed to program your custom expert. The depth of this initial list dictates the ultimate competency of your gem. Precise inputs here prevent generic advice later. With our expert's DNA extracted, let's build the interface. Go to the top left corner of the Gemini app and click the 3 horizontal lines to expand the main menu. This opens the panel where your custom profiles live. Select the Gems option to enter the Gem Manager screen. From there, click New Gem to start the build process. Give your gem a highly specific name and a clear description of its function. This keeps your workflow organized when you eventually build out a library of these experts. By defining these parameters yourself, you move from passively consuming whatever the AI gives you to actively architecting a system that works for your specific operational needs. Next is the System Instructions box. This sets strict cognitive boundaries for how your gem processes all future inputs. This master prompt structure combines the chosen role, extracted traits, and behavioral directives. Instruct the gem to challenge my thinking and stay in character, forcing it to abandon politeness. Finally, define your own job title to anchor the AI's perspective. If you skip to finding your own role, the AI loses context. It will revert to being a generic assistant instead of an expert subordinate reacting to your specific needs. Save the profile. Now, start a new chat session using this dedicated gem. Let's test it. Ask it to evaluate the top risk factors in selecting a new vendor for your company's core product. We are applying intense structural pressure to the core idea, looking closely to see exactly where it breaks. The standard AI on the left gives a polite, flat list of vendor considerations. The custom gem on the right pushes back, mapping counterarguments and supply chain vulnerabilities. It actively searches for risk, demanding clear contingency plans. That friction is the entire point. By simulating a rigorous peer review, you expose the structural vulnerabilities in your plan while it is still on paper, long before execution. Your challenger is now fully deployed. It lives permanently in your sidebar, ready to consult on your next move. But you don't have to keep it to yourself. In the Explore Gems dashboard, you can click the share icon next to the profile's name. Distribute this engineered persona to your entire team. This standardizes the level of strategic friction across your department, ensuring everyone's ideas are subjected to the same rigorous testing. One custom expert quickly scales into a shared intelligence network. Anyone can use a chat box to write an email. Competitive advantage comes from architecting a scalable, customized digital boardroom that relentlessly tests your organization's assumptions.